Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we can convert a secure string type of variable to the string type. So if you have a secure string variable, then you won't be able to convert it to string by simply dot to string. So let me show you how we can do that. To show that, I will use get credential activity and I will fetch a password from the orchestrator. So let me show you. In my orchestrator I have a credential, test credential. I'll fetch the password from here. So let me take the asset test credential. I'll store the password in a variable. So let me create a variable test password. Okay. So now I need to convert the test password. So let me show you. The test password variable is of secure string. So to convert it to string, I'll use a assign activity. In the assign activity, I need to write a code. Let me show you how we can do that. New system dot net dot network credential within parentheses string dot empty comma the secure string variable, that is test password dot password. That's it. So to store the string variable, I need to have a string variable. Let me create that string variable with str password. To see the result, let me use a message box. Str password. Let me run it and see the result. You can see I got the password. That's it guys for today. We'll see on the next video. Thank you.